We students have started a project called Grow Fresh, Eat Fresh. It is implemented by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. We have chosen life on land as one of our main topics. We want to encourage life on land through urban gardening. Urban gardening is when one grows their own vegetables or herbs. This also includes good health and well-being, where we encourage people to grow their own plants and use them in their daily meals. We also want to promote responsible consumption and production so that we can have a happy and green earth. We have some community partners to assist us with the goals. Earthaholics that guide us with gardening, and the Health Awareness Center for nutrition. Grow fresh, eat fresh.